Alright, so we run a new line set and we're going to solder it right now. So it was 65 feet. So first, all valves should be closed. You open the main one and then you just set it to 300, and after this you can open, actually, yeah, you can open the main one here. Let's go.
Okay guys, we just installed this new Goodman inverter heat pump, and it wasn't easy because it's 120 degrees in the attic, but we did it. So we just need to install the new thermostat and we'll be ready to start the system. Alright, just got the old system all the way, new one up and running.